Hey guys, so we're going to work out the next 5 problems starting with number 6, and it says estimate 75% of 4,023. Okay, so for this problem we can actually do it 2 different ways, and one of them is going to be easier than the other one, but they both work. So the first one is set up a proportion. Okay, so the proportion is going to be 75% over 100, okay, because that's the percent that they give you. And then this is going to be the total, so something over 4,023, okay. So from here I would have to figure out how do I get from 100 to 4,023. So this is actually going to be the harder way. The other way that I can do it is by simply multiplying 4,023 by, if I turn 75% into a decimal, that's going to be 0.75. Okay, so I just multiply by 0.75. Okay, so 4,023 times 0.75, that's going to give me 3,017.25. Now here it says estimate, so that means this is going to be closest to 3,000. Okay. All right, number 4, you have to put them in order from least to greatest. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a number line. Okay, so we have 0 in the middle, and the positives are on the right. And then we have the negatives on the left. Okay, and so now that I have my number line, I'm going to go ahead and put the point. So we have a point at -1, which is right here, and then -4, and then +3, and then +6, and then 0, -2, and +4. So remember, this is least to greatest. Okay. So here they want least to greatest, so I'm going to go ahead and pick -4, that's the smallest, then -2, then -1, then 0, then 3, then 4, and then 6. So B is your answer. Alright, number 8. Identify the sets to which -10 belongs to. Okay, so remember we have the big one. So this is rational numbers. Okay, and then inside here we have integers, and then inside here we have whole numbers. Okay, so let's go over it again. A whole number has to be positive and it has to be whole. And then an integer has to be a whole number that is positive or negative, and it includes 0. And then a rational number is any number that can be written as a fraction or a decimal. So if I have -10, it's not positive, so it's not going to be a whole number, so that means I can get rid of B. Okay. And it's an integer, so -10 is going to go right here. And it's also a rational number, so A is correct. Number 9, at an award assembly, 90 people are seated at 15 tables, and find the ones that are seated at 1. So we're looking for unit rate. Okay, so we have 90 people over 15 tables. And this is a proportion. I want to know how much at one table. So divide by 15, divide by 15. So 90 divided by 15 is going to be 6 people per table. Okay, and again, this is a proportion. Okay. All right, last one, number 10. It says a computer file is 3,580. So 3,580. And a photo, okay, is 3,570. Which one is smaller? Okay, so this is the photo, and this is the document. Obviously, this is bigger than that, so the photo is actually going to be smaller. Okay. All right, so those are the 5 problems you have to do, and make sure you write everything down in order to get credit.